So, if you're doing TryHackMe file inclusion room and you got stuck on this final question here, I'm here to help you. So, get an RC in lab playground in this file page with RFI to execute a hostname command. What is the output? So basically, our goal is to make the web to execute the hostname command. Now, what we could have done is simply copy and paste this. So I use AI to generate this code, right, to get it execute this hostname. But the problem is the PHP file would only execute, will only do this include execution. It will not do exec execution. So what we need to do is that we need to open up a terminal in here. And we have to create a payload. Oh, it's expiring. I gotta hurry up. So we have to create a payload in order to the file download this payload to its web. So RFI, remote file inclusion. So we copy and paste the command into the file like we just did, into the file. Then what we want to do is to set up a server by executing this command. Paste it in here. Now we can do is at 9,000, port 9,000. I like to do it at 8,000. It doesn't really matter. What's matter is that you know where it is. So now your file has been served on this port 8,000. And since we're using virtual machine in TryHackMe, we know that this machine is on the same network with this web. So what we can do is go here and simply just so we can take a look at this URL in here. So let's do a testing. So you can see what the web is doing is trying to fetch this file called testing, but we're not trying to fetch this file. What we are trying to fetch is the file in the HTTP, and we type in the IP address of our virtual machine, which is 0.66.117.47 at the port is set up. I set up 8,000 and the file name, which is the payload.txt. Sent it, and there we are, the flag.